I don't know about you, but I was very nervous to take organic chemistry, and I'm here to tell you that it is not as hard as everyone makes it seem. Here are 5 things you need to know. Number 1, it is not memorization. You need to understand the concepts, which will allow you to reason your way through any problem. Number 2, learn the language. Organic chemistry has a language of its own. You need to understand the terms so you can focus on the chemistry. Number 3, focus on electrons. The curved arrows and mechanisms show the movement of electrons. Knowing how, where, and why electrons move is the key to reasoning your way through reaction mechanisms. Number 4, stability is essential. It is what drives reactions. Knowing which molecule is the most stable is the key to understanding how reactions occur. And number 5, draw to practice. Practice is the biggest key to success in organic chemistry. Drawing out mechanisms will help reinforce all of these ideas, culminating in your success.